Hello and welcome. Now in this course, you are going to receive a tutorial on a basic setup of Google Analytics on your site. Now we'll start with how to begin with a new Google Analytics account. Now, you'll be connecting your website and or custom page builders or even your WordPress site. Then we'll be walking through some of the specialized features of Google Analytics, such as setting up annotations so that you'll know how your site is performing at a glance. We'll be setting up intelligence events so that you can have emails sent to you when certain things happen on your site. We'll be setting up custom segments so that you can break down different views of your website activity. We'll then be looking at specialized functions of Google Analytics. We'll be talking about how you can export your data for further analysis, as well as setting up custom reports. And we'll also be talking about different integrations that you can do with Google Analytics to extend the functionality. We'll be talking about different templates that have already been created that you can actually use so that you don't have to create them all yourself. And specialized actions such as real-time reporting. And real-time reporting allows you to see what's happening with your site at the moment. And you'll see how to view this through your Google Analytics account. Now, you'll see how to read your reports. And finally, you'll conclude the course with being able to do a basic setup. And of course, when the course is over, you'll be able to do your own basic setup and explain what's happening in your reports. You'll then be set up for a more in-depth and advanced study of everything that Google Analytics has to offer. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.